Hi, I'm Dan the Mortgage Man from Holloway Mortgage Solutions, and here is your weekly mortgage update. It's been another busy week in the mortgage market with a mixture of rate increases, reductions, product withdrawals, and some interesting new lender propositions. So, starting with residential mortgages, Generation Home increased their rates, then they followed up later in the week with further increases. April Mortgages also increased their residential rates. Bank of Ireland withdrew selected residential mortgage products and later in the week increased rates for new customers and then withdrew other rates as well. Nationwide increased selected mortgage rates and Virgin Money also increased selected mortgage rates. Moving on to buy-to-let, Aldermore launched a new special edition buy-to-let rate available exclusively to existing customers. And Paragon have temporarily withdrawn all of their fixed rates from their core and tailored product range. Now for lenders that have made changes across both. The Cooperative Bank reduced selected residential and buy-to-let mortgage rates, then later in the week increased residential rates for new customers only. Principality increased selected rates across both. Coventry Building Society increased all residential and buy-to-let mortgage rates. Barclays reduced selected buy-to-let rates but increased selected residential rates. Leeds Building Society reduced selected rates across both residential and buy-to-let products. Leek Building Society have increased rates across all of their ranges, and NatWest has increased rates for both new and existing customers. And finally, some interesting product updates. So from Bank of Ireland, they have launched a new joint borrower sole proprietor or JBSP proposition. Their previous version, known as the First Start, was only available to first-time buyers. Now the new JBSP product has been expanded to include home movers as well, potentially helping more people access the borrowing they need. I'll cover joint borrower sole proprietor mortgages in much more detail in one of my upcoming FAQ Friday videos, so keep an eye out for that one. And Leeds Building Society have launched a new first-time buyer product called the Start Mortgage. This scheme is aimed at helping buyers onto the property ladder, requiring a minimum deposit of £5,000 and offering up to 98% loan to value. I'll cover this in much more detail as part of my low or no deposit mortgage series, so keep an eye out for that future video where I explain how it works, who it's suitable for, and some of the key things you need to know. To summarise the week, it's been another active week in the mortgage market, with lenders continuing to review their product ranges and pricing. We're seeing lenders react quickly to changing conditions while also introducing new products designed to help different types of borrowers achieve their property goals. Whether you're a first-time buyer, home mover, remortgaging, or a property investor, there are still plenty of options available, and the right mortgage will depend on your individual circumstances. If you're looking to buy your first home, move home, remortgage, or invest in buy-to-let property, or simply want to understand how these lender changes can affect your options, get in touch and book your appointment today, and I'll be happy to help.